Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can log into Fancentro. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything, and if you have any problem or any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is, just go to a web browser. You can use any of them, any of you want, and just type Fancentro and go with the first link over here. And you will be redirected over here to the Fancentro app. Then what you need to do is just go with the sign in option on the top, which is just beside the en, which is the language one. Just go over here, and then over here just have your email, and then just write your password and then just sign in, and you will be logged into your account. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.